G'day gang, Ed here, and I am having a, as Dan would say, uber geek moment. I'm actually recording this on my MacBook Air here, and the cool thing is, I'm in Beechworth. Beechworth doesn't have broadband. I am completely untethered because I am using my good old, and I can't believe I'm saying this in the same sentence, Telstra NextG modem. Which now has the capacity to record videos like this direct. It has enough upload speed, and in fact I just did a test with Rob Somerville, and if you use iChat you can get perfect quality video from a remote location. All of a sudden the options are literally endless. So if I wanted to, for example, let's walk, pick you up here. Now often the picture, you can get my bald patch, which is, if you've been watching, is getting worse and worse and worse. But as look at all the moths. Can you see all the moths in the background there from the light last night? But we're in obviously in country Victoria here. This is my old hometown, and yeah, you'll see I go bright, but you can see there in the background. Oh, yeah, excellent camera work. But you can see just how amazingly cool this is. That I can be doing this and recording it and having it upload. So what I want to show you is some amazing stuff with Rob. We've got a big conference up here in Beechworth at the end of April, which is going to be really, really cool, showing you some of the latest, absolute latest stuff. And I'm actually going to the conference venue in about 50 minutes from now, and I'll bring you guys along and show you what we're doing. So it's amazing. This is just so cool. So with that, look, while we're talking about cool things, have you checked out the iPhone SDK? SDK is code word for software development kit. That's not so important. What is important is that Apple have just made an extraordinary flow through, much like, as revolutionary as MP3s to iTunes to the consumer. Now we've got this software iTunes to this little platform, and all of a sudden this thing here has become mega, because as I said to Rob, and I tweeted this morning, how many of these have been sold compared to, in the same time frame, how many Xboxes, Wii's and PlayStation 3s have been sold. And of course, for you corporate enterprise types, the fact that you'll be able to have push email, all those things that you've wanted as part of this little thingy here, boy, world is your oyster. It's very exciting times, very exciting times. And for us as internet marketers, with this thing, you really have to look at this as a new distribution platform, much like the iPod and so on. So in terms of software development, very exciting day for software developers, because developing on this as a platform, you'll have 10 million by the end of the year. You'll have 10 million people with one of these things. That's 1% penetration of a good piece of software. That's a lot of spondooly in anybody's language. All right, how about this? I can't believe I'm doing this from Beechworth. Who would have thought? When I was riding my push bike to my old high school's just over here. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Speak soon. Oh, and please give us your favourite love and social networking love while you're at it. Love that. And make sure you stop by the blog www.tubbynerd.com. All right, speak soon.